Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today is Tuesday and it's either a card, it's usually a card, but lately I have been doing some quick and easy projects for you. So, because I really miss doing my quick and easy projects. And I did do a survey on YouTube and a lot of people said that their favorite things were my bags and boxes. And some people wanted some fun folds, so those will be coming too. But if you haven't seen it, find it and give me your opinion because I would love to hear it. All right, so today this is what I'm sharing. I think this box was one of the very first I learned from Stampin' Up. It has been, well, it's been over 10 years that I've been a Stampin' Up demonstrator. So yeah, it was a long time ago, but it's super easy to do. And I went crazy as usual, and I made 3 different ones. Now these two are using the same stamp set, and then this one I used part of that same stamp set, and I used the new So Refreshing bundle for this one, for the little lemons, because I love these lemons. And this paper, it has little lemons on it, and it was so cute. I was like, oh, I have to make one with that. And we're going to do the birthday one because I know everybody has birthdays that they can make these for. But this one I thought could be masculine as well, because I just did the scene right here with the little blue, and this is the Azure Afternoon. And I actually used all 3 of the ribbons in this combo pack. That's the sheer ribbon combo pack. I'm going to get another one of these. This is so beautiful. It's easy to tie. Oh, I love this ribbon. It's so pretty. So this is what I'm sharing today. So on this one and this one, I used the designer series paper called Delightfully Eclectic. Oh my gosh, y'all, if you don't have this, look how huge this is. You need to get this. There's so much. If you only get one paper pack, get this one because it has everything in here. Look at this, is the other side of the lemon, but there's so many papers in here. Both sides are really cute. Look at the other side of this. I almost didn't want to cover it up. It's so pretty. So I'll show it to you here. Here's the lemon, but here's the other side of that. And you can even use that, but I love the stripe. And then there's the lemon, and this is the flowers, but there's little swans. There's some black and white, little pretzels. I love this one with the type on it. And then it has, on the back, it has a paper. These are the hearts, but there's one that looks like a sheet of paper. There's so many good papers in this. So that is called, again, Delightfully Eclectic. All right, let's get started on the box. And if anybody has any questions on the other one, please put it in the comments and I'll let you know what we did with that. We're going to color the little cupcake. It was really fun to do. All right, so for this, what you need is a piece of 4 1/4 by 11. And then 2 pieces to mat are 2 inches by 3 3/4. For those of you who are new, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share, because all of those things really help my channel. And if you are new, I put an inspiration sheet on my blog every time I do a project, so it has all the measurements on there for you. So I'm using the layering circles, and I'm using a scallop out of that, and that one is 2 1/2 inches. And then you need some basic white to stamp on. All right, let's scoot this over. Let's get our stamping done. So I'm going to grab this, and I'll show you the stamp sets. So this is the circle sayings. This is what I'm using for most of this. Here's the little seascape, the little cupcake, and then this here, and I did the thinking of you on there, and then I used the warm hello, and I think that's it on this one. And then the dies for the So Refreshing I used, because I used the lemons here and I used the little leaves, but I did color those in with my blends. And then of course the layering circles, and then I just used the scallop. All right, oh, for the other paper that I used For the masculine one, I use this one because that looked like a C to me. So I wanted to use that, and this one is the Bright and Beautiful. I love that paper too. All right, let's get stamping. So we're gonna do the cupcake. And you do have to fussy cut the cupcake if you're gonna make a bunch. Just if you have the Brothers Scanning Cut, use that, because that's what I will do. But I did fussy cut these. And then this is the circle, it says Celebrate. And I did stamp the cupcake again. I did stamp it on the inside here because you can kind of see under there. You don't have to do this, but if I'm putting something over the top, sometimes I like to do that. All right, we're not coloring that one. We're just going to color this one right here. And to color it, I am using Bubblegum Light. I'm using Bubblegum Dark. And then I'm using some Flirty Flamingo Dark. And then these are Balmy Blue and Boho Blue is what I'm using for the cupcake holder. So, oh, and I did use the Dark Pecan Pie, and that is for the cupcake, because the cupcake is right here. So we are going to color that. It's a chocolate cupcake. And you can do that all as frosting if you want, but I thought it was cute to do it as the cupcake itself. I'm going to zoom in a little bit for y'all so you can see this a little bit better. Scoot that up a little bit. All right, so I'm going to start with the Bubblegum Light, and I'm going to color the whole frosting. You can color it whatever color you want, but I wanted to use the Designer Series paper, so that's how I did that. Then I'm going to take the dark, and we're just going to shade it just a little bit. And then I'm going to take the Flirty Flamingo Dark, and we're just going to darken this a little bit, just to give it a little bit more shading here. And then we're going to blend it with the light again. Don't be afraid to mix colors, because it really does add a lot to it. All right, and now we're going to do the cupcake bottom. I'm using Boho Blue. No, this one's Balmy Blue, so that's going to be the base. And then we're going to shade a little bit with the Boho Blue. So I'm just coloring that, just one solid, and then we're going to shade. I think this one's Balmy Blue too. Yeah, this is the dark Balmy Blue. We're just going to do some shading. I'm going to go along the bottom here. And then I'm going to use the Boho Blue. And we're just going to shade that a little bit more on the bottom here. And there you go. That's all I'm doing on it. But isn't it such a cute little cupcake? All right, let me zoom you back out before I forget. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fussy cut this. And there's our little cupcake. You know, y'all, if I'm fussy cutting, you know how I love to use my scan and cut. And this is super quick and easy. So I'm using this 2 3/8 circle punch, and this is a bundle with this stamp set. So you can save 10% if you buy them together. So there's that. I'm going to pop this up with a dimensional. Maybe 2 dimensionals. And we're going to just lay it right on top of that. And then I'm going to take my little bubble gum piece and we're going to glue this onto here. I'm just going to use some of my seal. And then we have that all ready to go. All right, let's get the box made. All right, so what we're going to do is score this. We are going to score on the 11-inch side at 1 inch, 5, 6, and 10. And then I'm going to turn it, and we're going to score it at 1 and 3 1/4. That is it. All right, so on this, you can pick either side because they're both the same, but I'm going to cut in. Let's do it this way so I can show you. We're going to cut that. We're going to cut in on this one because this is going to go inside our box. And then I'm going to cut in here as well. And this is important, so it goes inside the box. I'm going to cut that just a hair more. So this is going to be the part that goes inside. Now we're going to do the sides. Do the other side the same. You can make a bunch of these really easy, and you can leave these folded flat until you're ready to use them, because they're really easy to store because they're not really huge. And I thought it'd be so cute just to put like bubble gum or anything. You can put anything in these. Hershey's Kisses. You can put the Hershey's Nuggets in here. So we're going to sharpen all these. Make sure you do these too. Alright, so now we're ready. I'm going to get the Seal Plus, and we're going to use that for this. You're going to put it on your glue tabs here. I just put this in here. It's a fresh one, so I had to give it a start. You can use wet glue on this part. And then you're just going to pull up your tabs, line them up. And then put your candy in, and then you're just going to fold this inside, just like that. And it folds really nicely inside there. Now we're going to mat these. Look how pretty that is. I hate covering it up, it's so pretty. But if you like that side, go for it. I just love this stripe. They actually would go really cute together. It's kind of dingy out today, so I hope that you all can see this good. It seems like it's a little bit dark today. Alright, so I'm going to grab the bubble gum here, and we're going to wrap it around going this way. And we're going to tie a bow. Ties really nice, and it's so pretty. It's got like a glimmer to it, and then it's got like a little silver metallic running through it. It's super pretty. Let's cut that off. I am going to grab a couple more dimensionals and our little birthday, and I'm going to put one on each side so it doesn't interfere with the ribbon. And then we're going to just set that right on top like that. So look how quick and easy and how fun that is. I'll bring out the other ones again. And they're so cute. I love them. I hope you enjoyed it. It's so easy. So give it a try. And here's my host code for June. And gosh, y'all, there's only 2 weeks left to June already. We are getting very hot here in Texas. I don't know about everybody else, but we're already getting 100-degree weather. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.